feet, the scent of earth in the air. The lantern trembles on the window, and a small smile gathers there. Outside, the water bathes the leaves, the green unfolds at last, for only those who live by soil know what the rain can cast. But sometimes heaven takes its toll. Its heavy hand comes down, the cloud that makes the pasture grow can also lay me on the ground. The night is torn wide open, and lightning strikes the plain. Silence hangs so heavy after the sound of thunder's rain. The floorboard shook beneath my feet when lightning hit the land. I heard the cattle crying out as war broke out by heaven's hand. The smoke was burning in my eyes, the tree was still aflame. The herd had run to shelter there. Now none would breathe again. I dug the graves with weeping hands, as if asking to be forgiven. If life begins within the soil, it surely ends in the ground we're given. For sometimes heaven takes its toll. Its heavy hand comes down, the cloud that makes the pasture grow can also lay me on the ground. The night is torn wide open, and lightning strikes the plain. The silence hangs so heavy after the sound of thunder's rain. I walk back home in silence, not knowing what to believe. The rain is still a miracle, but miracles can grieve. The crops were standing beautiful, the pasture stood bare and still. Half of me gives thanks for life, half shivers with the chill. But sometimes heaven takes its toll. Its heavy hand comes down. The cloud that makes the pasture grow can also lay me on the ground. The night is torn wide open, and lightning strikes the plain. The silence hangs so heavy after the sound of thunder's rain.